TurboRater simplifies your agency's personalized quoting experience into one tool to quote hundreds of carriers coast to coast, helps your agency remain open 24/7 to get actionable leads directly to your website, and integrate data easily with dozens of other tools. Built for expediting revenue growth and extreme efficiency, thousands of agencies have voted TurboRater the easiest to use and most recommended comparative rating platform. Let's take a look. Always growing, TurboRater has hundreds of carriers available coast to coast to give you all of the right options in one tool. With TurboRater for websites, your agency can remain open 24/7 to capture leads through a customizable quoting tool available in both English and Spanish, embedded directly on your website. Prospects will share all pertinent contact information, home and auto details, and can even begin quoting their policies before you get involved. This information is sent instantly to TurboRater for your agents to follow up and finish binding the policy. Get your prospects' declaration pages delivered right into TurboRater with Dec Page Connect. Making your life easier, the prospects are able to share information that will populate directly into TurboRater, while also allowing you to kick off that quote. As we move into TurboRater, you can take leads from TurboRater for websites, Dec Page Connect, or start a new quote on our single-screen workflow. With the ability to have multiple in-progress quotes started, agencies can quickly hop from calls and in-person meetings to get quotes completed at the time they're needed and return back to their previous quotes saved and ready to be finalized. Hate typing in data? Use available prefills to cut back on home, auto, and driver data entry from vetted databases. Once the quote is ready to run, agencies can easily compare carriers, rates, and coverages to choose the best option to fit the client's budget and needs. You'll also have single-click re-rate options if we need to re-rate the coverage. Maybe the insured is looking for a cheaper price. You don't have to go back and rekey data. You have the ability to re-rate right within here. Expand out each of these carriers to be able to see different pay plan options. And then bridge to the carriers when the insured decides what policy premium that they want to move forward with. Want to report on book of business growth, closing ratio, and other insights? Agencies can easily analyze performance with dozens of different reports. Thanks so much for watching. If you're ready to take advantage of TurboRater, we are here to help you get started.